Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your one-stop destination for the latest and coolest gadgets on the market. Today, we have an extraordinary device that will forever change the way you deal with lost items. Imagine never losing your keys, wallet, or any precious possession again. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, dream no more, because we have the ultimate solution for you, the incredible Apple AirTag. But before we dive into the amazing features of the Apple AirTag, if you're as excited as we are and ready to secure your belongings, you can grab your very own AirTag from Amazon using the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. The Apple AirTag is a sleek, smart, and powerful accessory designed to revolutionize the way you keep track of your belongings. Let's dive into some of its remarkable features that make it an absolute must-have. Feature 1. One-tap setup. With the Apple AirTag, connecting to your iPhone or iPad is as easy as a single tap. No complicated setups or confusing instructions. Just bring your AirTag close to your device, tap to connect, and you're good to go. It's that simple and lightning fast. Feature 2. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology. Precision finding is where the magic happens. Utilizing advanced ultra-wideband technology, available on select iPhone models, the AirTag can pinpoint the exact location of your nearby lost item with incredible accuracy. Say goodbye to those endless searches. Let your AirTag lead the way. Feature 3. Find My App and Network. Never feel alone in your search again. The Find My app allows you to keep track of your AirTag and other Apple devices, all in one place. Plus, the power of the vast Find My network means you can enlist the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices around the world to locate your lost items. Feature 4. Lost Mode. We've all had those heart-stopping moments when we realize we've misplaced something important. With the AirTag's Lost Mode, you can set your mind at ease. Activate Lost Mode in the Find My app, and you'll receive an automatic notification as soon as your item is detected in the network. No more anxiety, just quick and efficient recovery. Feature 5. Siri integration. Need some extra help finding your belongings? Just ask Siri. With a simple voice command, Siri will activate the built-in speaker on your AirTag, making it play a sound to help you locate your item. It's like having a personal search assistant at your beck and call. Feature 6. Privacy and security. Apple values your privacy, and so does the AirTag. All communication with the Find My network is encrypted and anonymous, ensuring that your location data and history are never stored on the AirTag. Your peace of mind is guaranteed. Feature 7. Long-lasting battery. Nobody wants a device that constantly needs charging. That's why the AirTag comes with a replaceable battery that lasts over a year. Say goodbye to frequent battery changes. The AirTag is designed for convenience. Feature 8. Water and dust resistance. Life is unpredictable, and so are spills and splashes. But fear not. The AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant, so it can handle the occasional rough and tumble without a problem. Feature 9. Personalization. Make your AirTag truly yours. With a wide range of colorful accessories sold separately, you can customize your AirTag to match your style and preferences. It's not just a practical tool, it's a fashion statement too. In a world where our belongings are essential to our everyday lives, the Apple AirTag emerges as a game-changer. With features like one-tap setup, precision finding, the Find My app and network, Lost Mode, Siri integration, privacy, and more, the AirTag ensures that you'll never have to worry about losing your items again. Ready to experience the freedom of knowing you'll never lose your valuables again? Then don't wait. Click the link in the description below to get your very own Apple AirTag from Amazon. Remember, every purchase through our link supports our channel, The Gadget Corner, through affiliate marketing. So you can keep discovering the coolest gadgets with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech savvy and keep track of your belongings with the amazing Apple AirTag.